all of them done they notice. I'm not joking, all my guys, them know me. Since '06, I've been writing this story.
Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. A happy Easter to you, and I hope you're enjoying your day. Today we're going to be delving into another haircare secret with onion juice. This haircare regimen can help to regrow every bald spot in your scalp, and it can help to triple your hair growth while making it very thick. Onion juice is usually known for a strong smell, but I can tell you that strong smell can be neutralized. So, onion juice encourages hair growth. It boosts blood circulation to the scalp by improving blood flow and ensures that the hair follicles receive essential nutrients for accelerated hair growth. Onion has antioxidant properties that helps to combat free radicals that causes damage to the hair and slows down hair growth. Onion juice reverses graying of hair, and it releases a compound called catalase that helps to reduce the production of hydrogen peroxide, which makes the hair turn gray. Onion juice moisturizes, revitalizes dry and brittle hair, and it is also packed with sulfur, a key ingredient that nourishes the hair and promotes keratin production. Our onion juice is ready to be blended, but at this point I'm going to tell you, if you don't have the little juicer people use and you have to use your blender, you'll need some pulp of aloe vera. Don't add water. You need your onion juice concentrated, which is what I did. I added some pulp of aloe vera, and here my onion juice is ready to be sieved. Our onion juice is ready. Next, we're going to neutralize the smell of onion, and we're going to achieve this with apple cider vinegar. If you don't have this handy, you can use lemon juice to neutralize the smell of onion. That's if you don't mind. If you don't mind, you can use your onion juice like that, but to neutralize it, I'll be using 2 cupfuls of apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is very good for the hair. It gives the hair a great shine. So yes, I'm just going to mix it, pour this into my container, and yeah, I'll apply it to my hair. Enjoy the music.
Cause you can never kill my vibe. But here with no sacrifices. Everything was taken, you had to make it. Vibe killer, me I no go take shit. Vibe killer. You know I'm just that light. No, I'm not thinking my vibe. vibes all night. I'm fucking dynamite. After your condo life, you know I'm just that type. No, nothing kill my vibe. Nothing kill my vibe. You nothing kill, you nothing kill, you nothing kill my vibe. You see my bitch, say she a bad. Anytime I knock it out. No rubber band, no rubber band. Every time I put down, you show me that. If I know pull out, she got my back. What do you do? I'm happy that. What do you do? Say everything I do is for my woman. Anything I talk, when you talk, I go do. Me I know they see another girl for my visuals. Loving you, now in my ritual.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. Say it. My mind, my body. My body says it. My mind, and my heart. My body says I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just you is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? Better last till my body's so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy.
So I'm done applying my onion juice to my hair. Like, it's so hot. It's really hot. Not that hot, but considerably hot. So you can see I have emptied the whole container of onion juice into my hair. The only beautiful thing about this is it doesn't smell of onions, because I neutralize the smell with apple cider vinegar. So if you're going to do this, please have apple cider vinegar handy, or you have your lemon juice handy. It helps to neutralize the smell of onion. So I'm going to carry this for 30 minutes. I'm supposed to carry it for like 1 hour, but it's late and I have to prep for the work week. So yeah, I'll see you guys in 30 minutes. Okay, so it's exactly 50 minutes now. I carried it. I intended to carry it for 30 minutes. Let's see, it's 5:40. Oh wow, it's exactly an hour now. I carried this, so I'm going to go wash it off. But the beautiful thing is, because of the vinegar, it is not smelling. It's not giving onion at all. Believe me, it's not smelling. But I'm going to wash this off so I can go to bed. It's already late. So if you found this video helpful, please do also subscribe to the channel, like this video, drop a comment below. Guys, my DIY videos are not just random DIY videos. These are DIYs that will help your hair grow healthy and strong. And as you all can see, I always practice it on my hair. I always implement it on my hair. I don't just do something random for you guys. So try to implement any of the videos and let's know how the result comes out. Until the next one, stay cool, but don't freeze. Bye.
Listen.